Welcome to Study Loop.
Hi everybody, so we need to find the speed of the belt. So we got belt speed equals frequency times R. So here we have 376.99 radians per second. In the problem, you're given as 60 revolutions per second. I just converted it times the radius to 0.0045 meters. And again, I just converted centimeters to meters, okay? And this is going to be 1.7 meters per second, okay? And now for B, we need the angular velocity. We have VR 1.7 meters per second. And the R that we're using is actually what is the angular velocity of the wheel. So we're actually using the radius of the wheel, which is 0.018 meters. And again, I just convert it to meters, from centimeters to meters. So here we get 94.2 radians per second. Okay? Thank you guys.